Well, there's a train station not far from where I am, and I could be there in a few hours or so. And I know that where you are, there's a station too. And I'm asking you to get on board. Well, if we could be together like birds of a feather, life could get a little easier. Well, I know I'm down, and I know I won't make you frown, for I've paid a pretty price for a second chance. So when your train hits that point, I'll be standing in front of my bug with a joint, and we could just start right there.